Hi guys, this is Patrick with Street Party Game Truck. Quite a few things that have changed since we last recorded a video. We have all new consoles now. We have PS4, 3 Xbox Ones, Wii U. We still have our same website though, streetpartygametruck.com. We also have our toll-free number, 855-ST-PARTY. We also have a local number now, 904-874-2033. Give us a call or throw us a text. Either way, we're good. On the outside, we have two 55-inch TVs, one a Wii U and one a Wii. There's a lot of the dance games out here. We have a full awning. So whether it's real sunny and hot, or we're having a Florida afternoon thunderstorm, rain or shine, we're good to go. Got you covered. Right there on the front of the trailer, that's our generator. We have our own power, so we don't need anything from the home or in place, and we can set up just about anywhere. I'll take you guys on the inside. This is where the cool stuff is. All aluminum interior, full AC or heat in the wintertime. We got four 55-inch flat screen TVs in here, laser light show, radio. We have 16 players playing all at one time. The first TV is a PS4, and the other three are Xbox Ones or Xbox 360s. Street Party is great. You know, birthdays, graduations, corporate events, bar mitzvahs, FCAT rewards. We do a lot of school functions. For the moms and dads, you're more than welcome to have fun with us, but if not, we never close our door when we're at your party. We have these flaps to keep the AC in and keep it dark, but you can come in anytime you want. We're family run and operated. It's either myself, my wife Kristen, my daughter Desiree, our brother Chris. That's who does your party. So give us a call at 855-ST-PARTY. Visit our website at streetpartygametruck.com.